Do you want to learn how to make simple, professional-looking gift bags quickly and easily? Hi, I'm Jess from JessCrafts.com, and I'm here to help you make the most of your crafty time and supplies. So let's get making. Take any size sheet of paper. You can use pattern paper, newspaper, gift wrap, they all work. You're going to fold your paper more than halfway across itself, and you want the pretty side facing down. Then you're going to fold the other side over so that there's a little bit of an overlap. If you want a more finished and professional looking bag, you're going to want to fold the top over. This one might be a little bit trickier to do without measuring, but you can use some markers on your design, like I'm using my stripes, to help me know if I'm folding down mostly straight. You can also reinforce this with glue, but you do not have to. Then you're going to want to add your glue along this seam. Next up, you will determine the size of the bottom of your bag. So if you want a larger bottom to your bag, you'll want to fold up more, and for a more narrow bottom, fold up less. I'll try to make a larger bag because it's a little bit easier to see. So I'm going to fold up the bottom of my paper, and then I'm going to push in the sides so that I fold the triangles, matching that folded center line to the center line here on the bottom of the gift bag. Then put down my folds here to make the triangles. To seal the bottom of the bag, you want to fold down the top a little bit more than halfway, so a little bit past that center line there. And then you'll want to fold up the top so that they overlap and that they are even. You can check this by making sure that this corner and this corner are approximately the same. It doesn't have to be exact, but the more similar they are, the better everything turns out. And continue to reinforce your fold with your fingers. You'll want to add your glue to this triangle area of the top and not all over the top, just those two triangle areas. Then for the other side, you're going to want to add it to the two triangle areas as well as the spots where the bag will overlap, or where the two sides will overlap. You can use whatever glue you have on hand, but I like liquid glue a little bit more than glue sticks as I find it holds a little bit better. But again, use absolutely whatever you have. Make the sides of the bag, fold in the side and make these two triangles meet here so that you have those two nice and smooth, and that will give you a professional look on the edges. Same on this side, meeting up those two diagonal lines and trying to keep everything as straight as possible as you continue to fold up. You can certainly use measurements if you want, but it is very easy to do even without them. Now you're ready to open up your bag. You can fold the bottom flap down, insert your hand, and just kind of start gently fluffing everything out. You'll see the sides here, and you can start reinforcing them by folding them then the opposite direction. So here's the side of my gift bag, and now I can push the side in to close the bag in the opposite direction. Very gently, just kind of keep pinching and working the folds so that I'm not wrinkling anything up too terribly. I did the same to the other side, and now I'm just closing my bag in the opposite way, again, just to really make sure that everything operates as it should. You can add a handle to the top of your bag by punching holes and adding string. You can fold over the top and seal it with some glue or a sticker, whatever suits your gift giving occasion or what you have on hand. If you like this video, here's another video where you can get more ideas for enjoying your crafty time and supplies. Let me know you like this video with a share to your crafty community, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next template tutorial, and check the video description for product links. See you in the next video.